Hi, my name's William Martin. I'm an Aboriginal health practitioner here at BRAMS, and today we'll be talking about the blow, breathe, cough technique. So it's important to keep your nose clear, and the best way to do that is by regularly blowing your nose, as such. And making sure putting your tissues in the bin, and then breathing in and out through your nose and out through your mouth. And if you're coughing, cough into your elbow or into your shirt, as well as sneezing. And then hand hygiene is very important.